Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha-to-be, was born into luxury. He lived in a palace shielded from the harsh realities of life. Despite having everything, he felt a deep emptiness. The sight of suffering, old age, sickness, and death deeply disturbed him. He yearned for answers. At the age of 29, he left his princely life, seeking truth and liberation. He studied with spiritual teachers and mastered meditation. Yet he was not satisfied. He pushed himself to extremes, even starving his body in the quest for enlightenment. But this path failed him. He realized that the answer lay not in extremes, but in the middle path. Determined, he sought a way to end suffering. Siddhartha sat under a Bodhi tree, vowing not to rise until he found truth. He meditated deeply, facing his inner demons. Mara, the embodiment of temptation, tried to distract him, but Siddhartha remained steadfast. Finally, after 49 days, at the age of 35, he attained enlightenment. He became the Buddha, the awakened one. The Buddha's enlightenment revealed the cause of suffering and the path to its end. He understood the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. He saw how desire and attachment led to suffering. He discovered the path to liberation, the Eightfold Path. Now he was ready to share his wisdom with the world. The core of Buddha's teachings lies in the Four Noble Truths. First, suffering exists. It is a part of life. Second, suffering arises from craving and attachment. We cling to desires, leading to disappointment and pain. Third, suffering can end. By letting go of craving, we find peace. Fourth, the Eightfold Path is the way to end suffering. It is a practical guide to a life of wisdom and compassion. These truths are not pessimistic. They offer hope. They empower us to take control of our lives. By understanding the cause of suffering, we can work towards its end. We can find true happiness and inner peace. Section 4. The Eightfold Path, a Guide to Liberation. The Eightfold Path is the roadmap to liberation from suffering. It consists of 8 interconnected aspects: right understanding, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Each element supports the others, creating a holistic approach to life. This path is not about strict rules. It's about cultivating wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental discipline. It is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. By practicing the Eightfold Path, we develop compassion, mindfulness, and inner peace. Section 5. A Legacy of Wisdom and Compassion. The Buddha's teachings have touched millions across the globe. His words of wisdom offer guidance for navigating life's challenges. His message of compassion inspires us to create a more just and loving world. Buddhism, with its diverse traditions, continues to offer a path to inner peace and spiritual growth. The Buddha's legacy is a testament to the power of human potential. He showed us that enlightenment is possible for all. His teachings continue to inspire us to live with wisdom, compassion, and inner peace. They offer a path to a more meaningful and fulfilling life.